Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to install WinUtil on your computer. So first open any browser and type in GitHub WinUtil and open this link. Now scroll down to Stable Branch Recommended and click this icon to copy. Now search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and right click on it and click Run as Administrator. Now just paste what we just copied with Ctrl and V and click Enter. There's nothing on the screen as you can see, but give it some time. And now we opened our WinUtil. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.